did the story start and what happened that made you give this exam in 2 months?
So I was doing job also. In the meanwhile, whenever I'll get time, I just focus. In the first 1 month, I just focus on the main subjects, like main subjects theory. I just keep on revising that.
So, any quick trick for, let's say, every subject, which is more scoring? Like,
So ethics is question like आप कहीं से भी करो, like वो कम ही होता है, like ethics के question तो.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Dr. Snigdha Sharma, Academic Head, Medical Courses from Academically. We got the result for AMC MCQ CAT June session. And with us, we have Dr. Preeti, who has qualified her exam. Congratulations, Dr. Preeti.
Yeah, thank you so much. Hello, guys. So basically, I passed this exam at 251. I didn't expect that I will pass, but I don't know if it called luck or my preparation, my strategy. I don't know, but yeah, in 2 months, I in 2 months and while I was working, also I cleared this exam. So I'm so much happy.
So, guys, she's going to be a role model. This interview is going to highlight how to prepare. There is nothing called luck when we are talking about medicine. Being a doctor itself, you are like the cream of all the professionals in your country. You already have a very high knowledge when we're talking about it.
Yeah.
Now there is nothing. It's been years of hard work. How you have been implementing your clinical knowledge while you're working, the experience you're gaining from that, and it was your strategy. We won't call it luck. We'll still call it your hard work, Dr. Preeti. So,
Okay.
for everyone, let's listen to this. What would I say? A cheat sheet? Would that be okay, Dr. Preeti? A cheat sheet?
Yeah.
So, quick cheat sheet of 2 months with how you can qualify. So, Dr. Preeti, please begin with when you joined Academically. How did the story start and what happened that made you give this exam in 2 months?
Okay, so first of all, I joined academically in last September. So last September, yeah. So the period it was like 1 year, and I booked my exam in May in the next year, in the previous year May, and from that time I prepared for from academically notes, but I didn't. I stopped my exam. I stopped my preparation because I thought I will give it later on. I have time, and meanwhile I was working also, and so many things in my life was going on. So I was saying, no, I will give the exam later on. So I keep on postponing the exam, okay? And in the meanwhile, when I was changing my dates from May to June in this year, so it was showing that you couldn't click that in June because, and I thought what happened, I couldn't click. So I refreshing that page and all. Then I contacted Dr. Bharti. Yeah, so she told me contact this person. I don't know whom I contacted. I didn't remember the name from academically I contacted. So she only advised me. I guess maybe Priyanka. I don't know. So she only advised.
Sadaf, Abhinasha.
Sadaf, yeah, maybe, yeah. I didn't remember the name. So they advised me to mail AMC that you want partial refund for this exam, and let's see what they says. So, but my family told me no, don't go for the partial refund. Just go for it. Give your best in 2 months. And I thought my parents told me, look, left your job for 2 months, give 100% concentration in this exam. But I thought no, I don't think so. I will pass. Let's see. I'll just go for it. I'll prepare also, and I do my job also. So I was doing job also. In the meanwhile, whenever I'll get time, I just focus. In the first 1 month, I just focus on the main subjects, like main subjects theory. I just keep on revising, like from the medicine, CVS, rheumato, everything, ortho and all. And from the gynec, I completed whole PDF and all. Total 8 PDF is there. And one thing has done, yeah. And the for the short subjects like the ethics and all, I just left it for the MCQ. I just solved the MCQ for that. Like yeah, I just solved ethics and all for MCQ. Emergency medicine, I just did MCQ and all. For optha and ENT also, I did MCQ. I didn't revise from the main course. Yeah, just main subjects I revise. I thought that this will like gyno is a course. Yeah, PDR also I did from the main theory. But I keep on like, yeah, shuffling the pages and all main cheese I highlighting. And I didn't revise the second time. I just did one time revision, and then I just keep on solving MCQ. Yeah. So in the meantime, in one day, I first of all I started solving MCQ of 200. Then meanwhile I'm increasing in 300, 400. Yeah,
Oh
like
my God,
this.
Dr. Preeti, how were you doing so many MCQs in one day? How many hours did
Yeah.
you study?
I studied literally for starting I was doing like 8 to 10 hours study, meanwhile working also, and then the last month I did like in 24 hours you can deduct like 6 to 8 hours, and all the time 15 to 16 hour. Yeah, totally I dedicated my times to study. Yeah.
Okay, okay. I mean, 400 questions a day,
Yeah.
God. And you were basically, your strategy was what I literally tell everyone in open forum: don't spend too much time on theory, do your
Yeah.
MCQs and do the back.
MCQ is the basic. Yeah, it's the
Yes,
main core. Yeah, for the
yes.
exams. Yeah.
Because you learn how to eliminate the wrong options,
True.
how
True.
to
True.
choose between the two closely spaced options, right?
True.
So, any quick trick for, let's say, every subject, which is more scoring, like maybe a quick cheat sheet for every subject that you would like to give? Let's start with probably pediatrics.
Pediatrics, yeah, I got I think I got 10 to 15 questions from pediatrics. And from ethics, actually ethics and psychiatry I got so many questions, I don't know why. So
Okay.
ethics is question आप कहीं से भी करो like वो कम ही होता है like ethics के question तो you can't like
So,
predict. हाँ, तो ethics के question मेरे काफी सारे थे, and psychiatry के बहुत सारे थे. From the CVS I can say 2 3 ECGs were there, and from optha I got conjunctivitis 2 3 red eyes photos and all
okay.
like picture based photo was 8 or 10 only. Yeah.
Okay, okay. How
Yeah.
many of them were like the repeat questions or the recall questions?
Yeah, so this is the main thing. Like you have to do, like this is my main advice. You have to do exam week recall. Like I got almost 80% topic from the exam week. Yeah, not
Uh,
the question same. Yeah, but 80 to 90% I could say I got the topic. Yeah.
Yes, we all know AMC never really repeats the
Yeah.
same question. It will
Question.
only
Yeah.
come around the topic. So there's no
Topics.
point looking after a question because
True.
examiner is someone else. I'll construct a different STEM, concentrating at a different clinical scenario. So, Dr. Preeti, what's next for you with all the experience that you have? What is next? Like, are you going to directly apply for the job, or you first going to take AMC2 and then apply? What's your plan?
I'm thinking like I'll apply for the job also, and meanwhile I'll go for the MC2 also, like in both way. If I'll
Okay.
get the job, I'll definitely want to go there first, yeah, and get
Okay.
in the system, yeah.
True. Like there's a huge difference. Of course, we know Australian system and Indian system.
Yeah.
So, but that's a great thing, Dr. Preeti. On that note, I would like to congratulate you again and see you next week for a guidance session.
Yeah, true. Okay. Thank you so much, Dr. Snigdha.